all broken. So we're gonna replace this. Should be pretty quick and painless. And get to it. We've got a crack in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some glasses on in case it chips out. It won't get in my eyes. Looks like we've got a plug here. Okay, looks like it's got a little catch right there. We gotta pry that out of. There you go. And this is the heater. I think I'm gonna mark this. Put a scratch on this one and say this is the top. Got my new one here. I'll have a link down in the description of where I got this one. This one cost me less than $20. I was really surprised. It's got the heater and the turn signal in it. So yeah, what a deal. Okay, so I'll run this up here like that was. And there. Alright, so these terminals they're the same width this way, but the metal thickness is a lot thinner. So I'm going to see if I can crimp these. See if they'll latch on a little better. Oh yeah, much better. Almost crimped them too much. Okay, there we go. So we got those hooked up. Now before I go and crimp this on here, I think I want to test it. Yeah, definitely getting warm. I mean, it's not going to get hot, but you can tell the difference. So now that I know both the blinker and the heater's working, I'm going to go ahead and snap this in place. Make sure the wires are out of the way. And try to and of course we can't leave a new mirror looking like that. There you go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, appreciate it, and go on and check out the channel. I got some other stuff very similar to this. Thanks.